I have started live streaming on my YouTube channel. To watch me live, just hop on YouTube on every Sunday at 12 pm Indian Standard Time. See you there. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Aryan and you're watching Techie in the Making. Today I'm going to be showing you how to upgrade your RAM in your laptop. I have an old laptop by Samsung which was lying in my house and I thought I should be fixing it. So the problem was one RAM stick wasn't working, so I was supposed to buy the 8 GB one, but the 8 GB RAM wasn't available, so I bought the 4 GB instead. So you wanna remove the screw and push the lid like this. The green part there is the RAM stick. You want to remove the RAM stick by pushing the clips and it will come out easily. Now you want to see the RAM type, that is DDR3 or DDR4, and the speed of your RAM, like 1600 megahertz or 2000 megahertz, etc. Here I bought my RAM from Amazon. The link will be given in the description box below, but preferably you buy the same company and the same megahertz. Your PC will perform a bit better. Now let's remove the RAM from the box. Now as you can see, I have the same RAM which I had shown earlier. Now let's go ahead and put the RAM exactly how I mentioned before. Slide it in and push it. Now let's go ahead and put the lid back on and put the screw. And that's it, you're ready to go. Now let's boot up our PC or laptop. Now what you want to do is right click on the Windows button and click System. And scroll down, you'll see you have 8 GB of RAM, and that is the indication that you have successfully installed your RAM. So thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Peace out.